Hello friends, I am Rajesh Singh. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of my friends for watching my channel Cloud9 Securities. Today we will discuss about a drone camera, that is a DJI drone camera and its accessories which is being used in it, and which consist linking process of remote control and aircraft, hardware integration, how we can integrate all parts, compass setting in mobile app, how to take off the drone, how can control through remote controller and mobile app, and what are the settings in mobile app. After watching full video, you can operate any drone camera easily. But before discussion in detail, please like and subscribe our channel. Now let's discuss different part of the drone camera and how can we integrate it. As you are watching in the video, it's a DJI drone camera and there are 4 wings, and to protect these wings we are using wing protectors. As you can watch in video, you can fix it from right side and press it. After that you can lock it. You can watch easily fixing process. Now you can watch. I have fixed all four protectors in the aircraft. As you can see, barcode inside the aircraft. It is being used to activate the aircraft through mobile app. I will explain later that one how we can operate it. Next part is remote controller (RC). Remote controller is used to control aircraft. There are few buttons like pause, sport, and function. Yeah, and home button also available in this one. And there are two. There are joystick. One is for controlling left and right, and other one is to control up and down. Home button is for landing purpose. You can use it for landing purpose, and pause button to stop and play the recording. And simultaneously pause and function button can be used to link the devices, and the battery working duration is 13.5 minutes. It you can charge it on charging hub. I will explain how you can charge it. For charging the battery, you can put this battery. After fixing battery, let's see how we can turn on the aircraft. Press for sometimes on button and after that continuous press it for 3 to 4 seconds. After that it will be turned on. In same process you can turn on a remote controller, and after that you can link both remote controller and the aircraft. Remote controller is being turned on, and you can see red light is blinking on it. After some time, when aircraft and remote controller will be linked, then you will see green light here. If it takes some time, then you can press pause and function button simultaneously, then it will be linked some faster. Now you can watch a green light is stable on aircraft and remote controller. So here you can install DJI GoPro mobile app on your mobile phone, and after that you can control it. Let's watch how we can remove battery. Here you can see DJI Go 4 app. It's being opening. Now you can select here model. It's a DJI Spark, so I have selected DJI Spark, and below you can see device is connected, and you are getting Go Fly option. When we will click on Go Fly, it is connected through Wi-Fi of the aircraft, and you after that you can click on take on button, take on button. It's a given message that Wi-Fi password is weak. You can change here, or you can you can left it. Now your aircraft is ready to fly. Just slide it to right side, and the aircraft is ready to fly. You can watch in video. Now we are in park, and here we can check its range and process how we can control it through mobile and remote controller.